Greetings of peace to everyone. Uh, this is Fatima, and here today I have brought you a topic on English grammar, which is a very important one. That is parts of speech. So, what do you mean by parts of speech? In English, words are divided into different kinds, and those are known as parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English: noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, and conjunction. Now let us see each one of them with example. So what is a noun? A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, or a thing. Example: Akbar was a great king. So Akbar and king are nouns here, since they are names. Similarly, if you see second example for noun, the sun shines bright. So sun is a thing which we can see or feel. One more important point which I would like to add in this noun is that what are all objects are included in thing. Thing includes all those objects with which we can see, touch, feel, and sense. Now, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. For example, he is a brave boy. So, boy is a noun here. To the boy, I am adding something. That is, how is the boy? The boy is brave. And if I want to add one more example for adjective, there are 20 boys in this class. So I want to say how many boys are there in the class and where are they? They're in the class. So 20 and class are the examples of adjective in this sentence. Now let us go to the third kind of parts of speech, that is pronoun. So what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. So here noun is Sam. So Sam is absent because he is ill. So instead of noun, again I want to continue the sentence. So I won't say Sam again. I will say Sam is absent because he is ill. So he is a pronoun here. Similarly, the books are where you left them. So I won't say books again here. I'll say them. So for instead of books, I'm writing them over here. So them is a pronoun in this sentence. The fourth kind of part of speech is a verb. What is a verb? Action words are known as verbs, or a thing which describes the state of anything is called as verb. Example: the girl wrote an essay on healthy eating habits. So what did the girl do? The girl wrote. That is, she is doing an action. So here wrote is a verb. Similarly, Kolkata is a big city. So how is Kolkata? It is a big city. So here it is showing a state. So that is why is a verb in this sentence. Now the fifth kind is adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb or an adjective. So whenever we want to give meaning to a verb or an adjective, we will use adverb. Example of adverb is he worked the sum quickly. So how did he work the sum? He worked the sum quickly. That is, we are adding some meaning to my adjective or a verb. Similarly, the rose is very beautiful. So already I have an adjective beautiful. To that I'm adding very beautiful. If you see, this rose is very beautiful. So very is a adverb here. Now the sixth kind of part of speech is a preposition. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word used to show how a person or thing is denoted with a noun or pronoun. So whenever we want to denote something with a noun or pronoun, we use preposition. Let us see the example. There is a cow in the garden. So where is the cow? The cow is in the garden. So it is again showing me where is the cow, right? So in. So in is a preposition. Similarly, if I see the second example, a little girl was sitting under the banyan tree. So here again, it is showing me the position of the girl, that is, she's sitting under the banyan tree. So under is an example of preposition. Now, the seventh kind of part of speech is conjunction. So as we all know, conjunction is a word used to join words or sentences. For example, I want to add 2 words, Shaima and Angelina. So I will say Shaima and Angelina are cousins. So An is an example of conjunction here. Similarly, Niharika ran fast but missed the train. So but is a conjunction here. It is used to join two sentences. The last but not the least, the last and the least word is an interjection. So what is an interjection? Interjection is used to express some sudden feelings. Example, so an interjection is used to express some sudden feelings. For example, when we are happy or sad, the feelings which we express can be expressed with the help of interjection. Example, hooray, we have won the game. So here we are expressing happiness by the exclamation hooray. Similarly, wow, that's really great news. So wow is again an expression used to denote happiness, and that is an example of interjection. Hope you have all understood the parts of speech, and if you have any doubts and if you want to suggest any videos which I should make, please write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.